Yantian District, under the jurisdiction of Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province, is located in the eastern region of Shenzhen. While it is a relatively unpopular place in Shenzhen, that does not mean it is young. On the contrary, Yantian has a very long history. Archaeological excavations at the Dameisha Bay Sandhill site indicate that humans have thrived here since the Neolithic age. Yantian is close to the mountains and faces to the sea. There are natural beach attractions such as Dameisha and Xiaomeisha. Wutong Mountain is majestic and precipitous, and is home to many species of migratory birds. In Yantian, time has become an identification with life and link between people. They do not live at a fast pace like those who work in Nanshan district. You can see people leisurely strolling the streets on weekends, enjoying the peace of life with their families or alone. This way of life is quite different from the habitual impression of Shenzhen's speed. Yantian is more likely to be the part that gives people a moment to slow down. Yantian, as some say, is not far from prosperity, but very near the sea. Here you can let your eyes fill, your body relaxed, and your mind be nourished. Start in Yantian and explore the different fun sites of Shenzhen.